Welcome back to Motion Mix 350. Today you'll learn how to put text behind a moving subject in a video using Canva and your phone. After you've opened Canva, go to Mobile Video, choose a blank canvas and then go to Videos. When you get to Videos, in the search bar, type Dance Video. You'll see a variety of videos, but for the sake of this tutorial, I've decided to choose this one. Bring your video onto your canvas. Resize and reposition your clip onto your canvas. Now we are going to add a text. Go to text and you can scroll down until you see this close text. Drag your text onto your canvas. And remember guys, you can even use any text or type any text you like. Don't forget to resize and reposition your text. Now you can change your text and type whatever word you want to type. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to type happy. Now we are going to use the same video clip as an overlay. Bring your video clip onto your canvas. Now resize and align your clip so that it's the same size as the original clip. What you're going to do now is remove the background of the overlay clip. In the search bar, go to Effects, tap the Effects button and then remove the background. As you can see, we've got two images here. That means our background has been removed. Now that we are done, we can download our project as MP4. Here is our final project. I hope you liked the video. If you found value in this tutorial, please subscribe, like and comment. Until the next video, peace.